Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Today we witnessed the annular solar eclipse. In Goa it was visible only up to 47 to 48% obscuration. However, in north of India, many people were able to see, we won't call it a total eclipse, but it's called a complete annular eclipse wherein we see the ring of fire. In Goa we could not, as an association, hold public observations because of the ongoing COVID situation, but most of our members through WhatsApp, Facebook and YouTube witnessed this event. I tried to do some photography of it using my camera and a simple solar filter.
ग्रहण काळामध्ये विशेष करून स्नान, जप, तप, तर्पण, श्राद्धविधी, दानधर्म अशा प्रकारच्या या ज्या गोष्टी आहेत ज्याला विशेष महत्त्व दिलेले आहे त्या महत्त्वाला अनुसरून आज या ठिकाणी या सगळ्या मंडळींनी एकत्रितरित्या येऊन या ठिकाणी हे जपजाप्य केलं